This is Brent over at PDS, and we're excited about the new 2190Q, so I want to do a quick video showcasing the differences. The fans themselves are remarkably identical. The specs, everything is pretty similar. It's all about the noise with this fan. So you get the highest noise at high suction. That's why we have them sitting on the table. This is the HP2190 that's being replaced by the 2190Q. Quite a lot of vibration that's going through the fan housing. This is not a scientific test, but this is what this vibration app looks like on the 2190 itself. Now let's try the updated 2190Q. What Fantech did was they added these blades on the interior of the fan itself. Running at full suction, and it's about half the vibration. Again, this isn't a scientific comparison, but when you place your hand on it, you can really tell a difference in the noise. Look at that. Old model, new model. So, I gotta say, great job, Fantech. A lot quieter.